Hi guys, Dad here from Review. I've got a really cool app today. It's an app that's so simple that it almost does nothing, but what it actually does is fantastic. And so, very little functionality, but it's almost essential for an Android Wear device. And since I've had this, it's totally made me realise that there was a huge gap in functionality on the device itself. Okay, so the app in question is called Wear Apps Tracker. And so there's a combination app on the mobile and there's also an app on the watch. So let me talk about what it does on the watch first. And so typically when you're installing Android Wear applications, you could do it from the Play Store or on the computer on the Play Store, but essentially you choose something you want, so say calendar for Android Wear here. You click that and you hit install. And then what happens is you install the application and then supposedly it goes over to your watch. But actually you don't know when it's on your watch because this happens sometime within the next, say, minute or two. And so you find yourself continuously checking your watch, looking for if the app is actually there or not. And sometimes it's going to take a little while. This is where Wear Apps Tracker comes in. And so what will happen is when that application has made its way to the watch, which can take a little bit of time, you can see you get a card. So simple. Now why wasn't this in the build to begin with? You can see here that we've got the card for updates, and so in addition to applications being added or removed, we've also got a card for when apps get updated. And what you can also see there is the card actually is compound, and it will show if more than one application gets updated or more than one application gets removed. It will show both of them on the same card, so that's super useful. Another big problem on Android Wear is that your Android Wear apps are all grouped together in your launcher, and so it's almost impossible to keep track of where apps are and which ones relate to the watch itself. And so Wear Apps Tracker actually has another handy feature, and it actually kind of isolates and shows you all of those Wear apps within the app itself. And of course then what you can do is actually go through and delete said app through the application. And there we go. You can see that it says one app just removed. And so the amount of time actually is quite variable between the amount of time you get a notification and when you actually have installed the app or have removed the app. And that just shows that actually it can take a lot longer than you expect, maybe 1-2 minutes. Really, it's a fantastic app. This, just for this aspect, I think it's great. But also with the cards, it just completes the package. And so, like I say, super simple, totally free, an absolutely must-have app. And I certainly hope that those cards appear in Wear 2.0. So, that's a quick review from me today. And I hope you join me tomorrow for the next one. Thanks a lot.